In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Buick Enclave key fob to replace the internal battery at home. If you clicked on this video, you might have a different device, slightly different. It's probably going to look like this, but not have this center button there. There are different versions. This is the 4 button. You might have the 3 button. It's just the same device, same procedure to open it up, and the same battery. So don't worry, this is just the one I have, and you can follow along with me, and we'll get a new battery in there for you. It's actually a really easy process. You won't need anything special to get it done, just a regular flathead screwdriver, and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will put a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is just to look down where the little keyring is here, the bottom of the device, and you can see along this seam there's a little indentation, kind of a slot in the plastic. That's what we're going to use to open it up. We're just going to put our flathead screwdriver in, kind of wiggle it in there, and then you just gently twist until you feel it start to come apart in your hands. And then I recommend just pulling it apart with your fingers, or actually just putting your tool in the opening and continuing to twist so you don't ding up this little indentation for the future there. So just go ahead, once you can, pull it apart with your fingers, and if it comes out like this, just go ahead and set that rubber piece back in there. Those are the buttons that will just fit in there nicely, and then we can gently pull out this circuit board. We're pulling it out just so we can easily slide out this battery, and it's not going to be hindered by that little wall of rubber there. So as you saw, I'm just able to pull it right out with my thumb, and once I have it out, of course, I dispose of my old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and make sure you are putting it in positive side up. You can see right here there's a little positive symbol on that piece of metal. That means positive side up, so you want to make sure that you see that text facing up. And then of course we can just put it all back together. So just set the circuit board in on top of the buttons there with the battery side facing up, and then we will just click the back piece of plastic right back on there. Squeeze it back together and you are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to give this video a like or let me know down in the comments section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come check us out on this YouTube channel or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.